Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss Perkin's reaction. Now Perkin's reaction involve the condensation reaction of aromatic aldehydes with aliphatic acid anhydride having at least 2 alpha hydrogen atoms, and in presence of the sodium salt of the corresponding carboxylic acid to form alpha beta unsaturated acid, that is carboxylic acid. Thus one of the finest examples of it can be given as the reaction of benzaldehyde. Now benzaldehyde is aromatic aldehyde. When this benzaldehyde is treated with anhydride of acetic acid, which can be given as this is acetic anhydride, and this anhydride contain at least 2 alpha hydrogen atoms. In fact, in this case it contain 3. Then in presence of the sodium salt of corresponding acid, right here we may use sodium acetate, then the alpha beta unsaturated acid, that is cinnamic acid, obtained as a product along with acetic acid. So this is one of the finest examples of Perkin's reaction. Now mechanism is so important. Now in this case what happens exactly? This sodium salt of carboxylic acid undergo dissociation, and that lead to the formation of acetate and sodium ions. Now very important thing is what happens in very first step. Anhydride ultimately get attacked. Now acetic anhydride can be given as CS3, can be written in this way: CS3CO O CO CH3. So this is acetic anhydride, whatever we have used right here. Now the hydrogen ultimately get removed right here by the base, and this lead to the formation of anion, that is carbon ion. So carbon ion is formed as an intermediate right here. So carbon ion so produced can be given as, this is the carbon ion formed due to departure of what? Alpha hydrogen atom, which is ultimately removed by the base. So base plays very important role in the removal of that. Now in very next step what happens? I mean in step number 2, the carbon ion so obtained attack the carbonyl carbon of aromatic aldehyde. So benzaldehyde can be written as, now we know very well, this is the carb anion so obtained. Now this carbon ion, now we know very well carbonyl group is polar one, thus this carbon is ready to receive what? Carbon ion, and due to this an intermediate so obtained can be given as, so this is the newly formed intermediate right here. Now this intermediate ultimately get protonated in next step. So due to protonation of which an intermediate product so obtained can be shown as, so this is the product on protonation. Now this would prefer to undergo dehydration. It may lose water molecule like this. This CH2 can be given as, so water may get departure from here, and due to which here comes double bond, and that lead to the formation of an intermediate product that can be given as, now the intermediate so obtained is needed to be hydrolyzed for sure. So upon hydrolysis of this, we may receive our product, what we called cinnamic acid along with acetic acid. Thus aromatic aldehydes undergo condensation with aliphatic acid anhydride having at least 2 alpha hydrogen atom, and it gives alpha beta unsaturated carboxylic acid on completion of reaction. That's what all about Perkins reaction. Thank you very much.